I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Welcome back to Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is day 10, and I'm so excited to see what's in this package, although I think I guessed right yesterday, but we'll see, okay? All right, you ready to open it? Let's do it. I was right. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are cute. I don't know what I felt that was round. Oh, maybe this thing. Oh, this is so cute. You can always use scissors, right? I love them, and I love the little tassel. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. They're Chuck the Duck scissors. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. So if you don't know, Chuck the Duck is the mascot for Missouri Star Quilt Company. I love it. That's really cute. They're nice. Let me see if I can find a piece of scrap fabric to cut. Okay, I'm back, and I also rubbed in that cream that was on my nose. All right, so here's the piece of scrap fabric from the clutch. Let's see how they cut. Oh, they're nice. Nice and sharp. Beautiful. I love them. They're so cute. I'm going to definitely put this in with my hand sewing kit. These are great. They have a nice weight to them too. Let's talk about value first. And I can never remember which order I do these in, so I guess it really doesn't matter. And then we'll guess the next day's item, but I'll give you a warning, I promise. All right, so the stars. I learned so much from you all in the comments about these stars. So I guess they're a Swedish tradition. They're called Advent stars, I guess. You put them in your windows, I guess maybe during Advent or just during the Christmas season. These are a 5-pointed star, so when I searched them, and I went to Amazon because that's where everybody goes, right? It's the easiest place to find any of this information quickly. So I could be way off, I'm not sure. But I found a set of 4 5-pointed stars that were lit. Now, some were 8-pointed, some were 10, some were Moravian stars, there were all kinds, but I found the 5-pointed ones that had like the cutouts in them, so you can get that look of the reflection on the walls. For a set of 4, they were $30. So I'm gonna say $15 for these 2 together. I don't know if that's low or high. Somebody said that, you could find them at the Dollar Tree. I've never found them at the Dollar Tree, but maybe you can. Some people said you can get them at Walmart. I don't know. So I'm going to say $15 for 2, and hopefully that's about right. I have no clue how much these are. They are pretty. They are growing on me a little bit. With that 15 added, that brings our total to $158 for the value of the box, according to me. I think that's pretty good, right? Our balance then is $32.75. That's what we have to get to break even. I think we'll get there in no time at all. I am so thrilled with this box. I know not everybody is, but I think there's some really great items in here, and I'm having so much fun. Okay, so now I'm going to guess day 11. Warning, giving you that warning. You can turn it off or move ahead if you don't want to see. Warning, warning, warning. All right, here it is. And it's a box, of course, so it's so tempting to open, but I won't. Okay, let's make a little sound. There's a little bit of weight to it, not too heavy. Oh no, something's in there, obviously. It's a little squishy in the middle, but not really. I don't know what this is. We'll see tomorrow exactly what it is. And before I forget, I wanted to tell you that tonight is my night for Quiltmas, so make sure you check that out. I am so excited to show you the project I'm working on, and if you're unfamiliar with Quiltmas, I'll put some information in the description below so you can check it out. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you tomorrow for day 11, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.